We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
We are making chili lime roasted cauliflower. The combination of flavorful spices and fresh lime makes for an almost addictive cauliflower dish. Let's start with the chili spice blend. To make it, combine ancho chili powder, smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and for some spice, cayenne pepper. Give it a stir, then move on to the cauliflower. Remove the core first, and then pull the florets apart with your fingers. To break the larger florets down even more, use a knife and halve or quarter them. They don't need to be perfect, but try to make the cauliflower pieces a similar size so that they roast evenly. Add the cauliflower to a bowl and then toss with oil and the chili powder spice blend. As always, the full recipe is found on Inspired Taste. Transfer the florets to a baking sheet and spread them out, facing as many of the flatter edges down onto the baking sheet so that they brown nicely. Roast the cauliflower until the edges are crisp and brown and the insides are tender. While they roast, chop a scallion and halve a lime. Then when the cauliflower has finished roasting, squeeze the lime on top and finish with a handful of chopped scallions. And that's it. Spicy roasted cauliflower with fresh lime. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.